first and now service game of the match.
And Rafa, we talked about the serve percentage. Well, look how it's flying. It's over 50% now for the match. 53%. At one point, it was in the high 30s and it was in the 40s. So he's cleaned that up.
Rafa who wore down a bit. You saw the racket skills in the shots he can come up with when you least expect it. That one right there, that's pretty well handled. And this one. That is a tremendous shot.
Find the angle as the ball was essentially behind him on the two-hander.
Both guys standing way back, so you don't see many aces.
This game, Hampshire is going to have a visit with your idol, Ron Laver, who he changed to the spikes on a waterlogged grass court after losing the first set against Hope. Turned around the final. Calendar year Grand Slam, his second 50 years ago on a Tuesday. So rainy they played the final on Tuesday. And somehow, for the first time ever, he jumped over the net. He doesn't know why. After winning that, it's going to pay off.
Thanks so much, Rod Laver. We've all been enjoying celebrating the 50th anniversary of your second calendar year Grand Slam. What's this celebration been like for you?
Oh, it's been unbelievable, and I just can't believe it's been 50 years since that happened. But yeah, to go through the four slams and successful in getting there through. You know, I know the last one was probably the toughest when it came to playing on slippery grass. I guess I had to put spikes on. So.
You're a lefty. You helped bring in topspin into open tennis. You're watching Rafa Nadal, perhaps the topspin king. What's it like watching another lefty go champion?
Rafa's quite unusual. It's the heavy topspin. Of course, I didn't do that. The wooden rackets pretty much wouldn't let you do that. But it's amazing to see Rafa control the ball so well. He can slow it up, he can put more spin on the ball, take it back deep, and remember that it really doesn't have a play. And so it's pretty unique that he can do it and do it so successfully.
And we look forward to you presenting the winner's trophy, celebrating the capstone of your 50th. It looks like, to Rafa Nadal. What's that going to be like for you?
Yeah, fortunately, at the French Championship this year, I was able to give Rafa the trophy. So it's been my huge honor to be able to give Rafa another one if he comes through.
Rod, thanks so much. We love having you here. All the best.